Hi guys, we are now popping off to get a bit of lunch at one of these local Seychellian takeaways called Kalino's. Do you want a pizza, please? Yeah, thank you.
Oh, great. Thank you very much.
Bon appétit.
Oh great, looks good. Thank you very much. Okay, so we've got the final bit of our little lunch from this takeaway, which is 2 muffins, and we paid the equivalent of £9.50 for 2 coffees, 1 big pizza to share, and 2 muffins, which came free with the coffee. So that's pretty good. So we've just had our lunch, and we're going to come down and see these beaches with amazing shallow water, and then also this craft village. So that will be the east coast done, and then we will also come up here to Eden Island for our dinner tonight at Bravo. Okay, so we've stopped for a little look around this beach area called Ants All Pins. So we're just taking a little stroll down to the sandbar that's down here. Really stunning backdrop here. It seems like you can just pull in to any of these beaches that you fancy, and they're all just off the main roads. It's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Oh. Wow. So we think there's a load of fishing boats down there, and here comes Amy.
So we've just found this lovely little cove near Avventura beach. It's really gorgeous. Ben's gonna fly the drone. Just have a quick little flight over the island.
Looking at these huge rocks, and we're trying to find a little spot to sit down. So we're coming around to this bay here, see what we can find.
So we decided this is a lovely spot for a photo, but we thought there was a bit too much seaweed, so Ben's clearing it all up. Lovely. So we're in the water for the first time now. It's like a swimming pool, it's so warm. These boulders make it look like Jurassic Park, don't they?
Yeah. Quite salty, I think. Easy to float.
Just driving up to Cultural Village.
Oh yeah, look. Selling lots of different crafts and stuff. Painted coconuts.
Buy little bottles of all the different sand from the different beaches in Mahé.
Oh really? It tells you what beach.
Yeah, really good present. Sorry you couldn't be here.
These hand-woven flowers.
It's like the vanilla essence, cinnamon stick,
Oh, yeah.
citronella, and then tea and special vanilla tea.
So I think this is the workshop here. Amy's found a little turtle. Surrounded by old colonial houses. Very relaxing.
Yeah, well I'm enjoying my Fanta and it's actually made for the Seychelles.
And then after this, we're going to travel back up the coast to Eden Island. So we're going to Eden Island for dinner tonight. Show you the backdrop of Mahé, the main island back there. I think a lot of these catamarans can be chartered out and people do catamaran holidays, which looks very nice. So this is where we are going tonight. So it looks Italian, but we've heard it's South African, so we'll go find out. This is Bravo, sitting right within all the yachts. This is the inside before the lights go down too dark. And here's Amy. There's such a big menu.
I think I'm gonna go for the tuna burger or the island burger.
Yeah. So we're here. We've got our Sabrew. Amy's got her pina colada. How's it?
Very nice.
Very nice. Quite a cool restaurant. Nice little bar here. There's Amy, and this is our little evening view. We've got mango and smoked fish salad. Very nice. And then we have garlic and cheese focaccia. Here's my main, red snapper with rice. And then Amy has...
It's a big tuna burger, so it's tuna steak, salsa.
Right, so I'm going to try a piece of this red snapper.
Looks like chicken.
It does actually, look.
Whoa. So if you're a
Apparently this
vegetarian
is
craving meat, then...
really, apparently this is really hot, so we'll try it, see what it is.
It's the verdict.
Very nice. Really, really thick piece of fish. Tastes almost meaty. Yeah, really nicely cooked and good rice, not too hot. So that's good to know. I'll have another bit, I think.